Instead of going to try to undo it from underneath, we're gonna get at it from the side with a different type of socket. Hopefully it'll go a bit better than last time.
They didn't put anti-seize on it though.
They probably won't.
I know. Oh, shit. Yeah, so look, I can see there's a gap. I don't think it's moving.
I'm gonna admit defeat on this one and just have to cut it out. It's definitely not coming out in one piece. So the Dremel didn't work with some vice grips. I just broke this thing apart. This is definitely not the correct way to do it. This is just gonna need to be replaced. It's one of those things. When you put this thing in, you absolutely should use some high temp anti-seize. So we got this O2 sensor out, not going back in as you can see. We got this heat shield out. With this out of the way, it just came right down. So now we can get back to what we were here for in the first place, get back to the fun part, get this exhaust apart. So we loosened it on this side, we loosened everything on this side. Now all that's left is to just take this off. Oh, sweet. I see the whole thing is moving now. Oh. It might not be good. So these are nuts, but this one came out all together, so we'll have to see what's up with that. It's always something, huh? There it is. So we got it, partially. The exhaust manifold is now out of the car. I'm going to take it apart, see where the leak might have been, if it was these gaskets or maybe some other ones in between. Or maybe on the up pipe itself. We'll find out once I look through it in a little bit more detail. What's next? What's next is we have to take the factory up pipe out, and after we do that, if you can't see behind me, we're going to do a little bit of an upgrade. We're going to upgrade from the stock catted up pipe to this aftermarket catless one. A few reasons for that. Partially is I want to see how much of a difference it makes in how the car feels, how quickly boost comes on, things like that. And partially is for reliability. These earlier WRXs, they had catted up pipes from the factory. What happens over time is the cat starts to go bad and bits of pieces start going through here into your turbo, and that can be no good. So we're going to replace it. It's going to go right here. It's going to look awesome. It's going to sound awesome, which matters more, I guess, because you can't see it from underneath. We'll see how it goes.